Hello everyone. Today my brother cooked Vietnamese pork rib ragu. It's so delicious. Welcome to SAIGONCOOKtravel. I am Saigon Cook. We have 1.5 kilogram of pork ribs, and these are all ingredients: tomato sauce, seasoning, pâté, potato, carrot, and fresh coconuts. And this ragu will serve with rice noodles. We prefer the one that's soft and fresh like this, very tender. And if anyone like to do with bread, a Vietnamese baguette, it's delicious too. So first we blanch the pork ribs in salt water and then season it, and then transfer to the high pressure cooker to cook until it's sounds boiling, and stop and let it rest for 10 minutes before transferring to the cooked carrots and potato that he did separately. The time the ribs sit in waiting to be cooled, to be open the lid, they continue to cook too. So the ribs should be very tender. So now he combined all of them and re-season and adds condensed milk and mix in pâté, and that's it. It's yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.